Welcome back. The 2025 Toyota Proace Verso isn't flashy, but it doesn't need to be. It's built with purpose, and it shows from the moment you lay eyes on it. With its updated front fascia, sleeker headlamps, and more refined body lines, it looks more polished than before, without stepping too far from its utilitarian roots. Toyota didn't try to reinvent the wheel here, they just tightened the screws, refined the look, and gave it a quiet confidence that fits both family and professional use. Step inside, and the Proace Verso reveals what it's truly about: space and function. Whether you're hauling passengers, gear, or both, it's designed to accommodate with ease. Depending on configuration, you can seat up to 9 people comfortably. The materials are durable yet clean-looking with soft touches, in all the right places for a more upscale vibe than expected. High roofline means headroom for all rows, and the large windows keep the cabin feeling airy and bright, which makes a huge difference on long journeys. The dashboard has been redesigned for 2025, with a stronger emphasis on user-friendly tech. The center touchscreen is larger now, more responsive, and finally supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Physical buttons remain for climate and key function smart, because when you're driving a van full of people, simplicity matters. USB-C ports are scattered throughout the cabin, and there's a new wireless charging pad up front. Whether you're a rideshare driver or a big family on the go, that tech accessibility comes in handy. Under the hood, Toyota offers multiple powertrain options again, including efficient diesel variants and a much improved electric version. The EV model especially stands out this year, now boasting over 330 kilometers of real-world range and a smoother throttle response that makes city driving easy and quiet. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets or cruising on the highway, the 2025 Proace Verso feels composed. It's not fast, but it is steady, planted, and surprisingly maneuverable for its size. Ride comfort has been enhanced too, with updated suspension tuning that softens road imperfections without turning floaty. Steering feels light but predictable, and the turning radius is tight enough to make parking lots and narrow streets far less stressful than you'd expect from a van this size. The sound insulation has also been improved, especially in the EV version, making it feel calm and collected. Inside, even at higher speeds, safety has been a strong suit for Toyota, and the Proace Verso continues that trend. The Toyota Safety Sense suite now includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring, all standard across most trims. Rear cross-traffic alert and a high-resolution 360-degree camera system are available, making this one of the safest people movers on the market. Cargo versatility is another key highlight. With quick folding seats, sliding tracks, and a flat-load floor, you can switch from full passenger mode to cargo hauler in minutes. The rear liftgate opens wide, and loading bulky items is easier thanks to the low floor height. If you're running a business or constantly on the move with gear, you'll appreciate how well it adapts to changing needs. On longer trips, passengers will appreciate the improved cabin ergonomics. The middle and rear rows can recline, and armrests are available depending on trim. Upgraded climate controls with better airflow distribution mean everyone stays comfortable, not just those in the front. Toyota also added more sound-deadening material around the wheel arches and cabin edges to reduce road noise, and it really works. The ride feels more refined than previous generations, without sacrificing that durable, commercial-grade backbone. What might surprise some people is how premium this van can feel when fully optioned. Leather-trimmed seats, ambient lighting, upgraded sound system, it's all available. So, whether you're using it for high-end shuttle service or just want a more upscale family transport, the Proace Verso won't leave you feeling like you settled. It quietly delivers practicality wrapped in a more polished, modern package. Toyota also focused on ownership experience with this update. Longer service intervals, easier access for routine maintenance, and more modular options for seats and storage make life with the 2025 Proace Verso a bit simpler. Plus, with Toyota's reliability reputation backing it, you can trust this van to handle daily demands year after year without fuss. No, It's not the flashiest option on the road, but the 2025 Toyota Proace Verso doesn't need to shout to make its point. It's honest, capable, and more refined than ever. For large families, growing businesses, or anyone needing smart, flexible transport with a touch of modern tech and comfort, it's exactly what it needs to be, and maybe a little more. Thanks for watching. See you next video.